He was suspended from office as the governor of the Central Bank of Nigeria, CBN, on Friday, June 9. Shortly after, the Department of State Services, DSS, arrested him at his home in Lagos, flew him to Abuja, and a day later, on June 10, they confirmed that he was in their custody for investigations. Mr. Godwin Emefiele has since remained in the custody of the secret police. After over a month of holding him without charging him to court, his lawyers and family members who had been denied access to him approached the Federal Capital Territory FCT High Court in Abuja to enforce his fundamental human rights. Following an application by his counsel, Senior Advocate of Nigeria, Joseph Daudu, the court on June 16 ordered the DSS to allow the suspended CBN governor access to his lawyers and family, as this is within his fundamental rights. After agreeing to comply with the order, the court at a later date heard the federal government's application challenging its jurisdiction to hear the fundamental rights enforcement suit. In his ruling on the matter, Justice Hamza Muazu ordered the DSS to release or charge the suspended CBN governor to court within 1 week.
7 days have been given to the DSS to either charge him to court or release him on administrative bail. We expect him to be released on administrative bail today as we speak.
Hours after the court order, the DSS spokesman, Mr. Peter Afunaya, said Emefiele had been charged to court in compliance with the order. Meanwhile, another judge of the FCT High Court in Abuja last week Friday, Justice Bello Kawu, declared the arrest and detention of Mr. Emefiele by the DSS as illegal. Channels Television obtained a copy of the 2-count charge bordering on illegal possession of firearms and ammunition, contrary to the provisions of the Firearms Act 2004, as filed by the federal government against the suspended CBN governor. The offense carries a punishment of 5 years imprisonment. The charge has now been assigned to Justice Nicholas Owebo of the Federal High Court, Lagos, who is yet to fix a date for the hearing. Meanwhile, Mr. Emefiele has filed a bail application, insisting that the offense is ordinarily bailable and he is not a flight risk. In the meantime, there are no indications that Mr. Emefiele has been flown back to Lagos, where he is expected to stand trial. Shola Sheyele, Channels Television News.